Hello guys, welcome to Caan Tech Foundation. My name is Catherine. In today's video, we are going to learn how to close a business KRA PIN. So I already showed you guys how to close a business because of whatever. So this is how you close a business KRA PIN to avoid future penalties with KRA or legal stuff, okay? So to close your business KRA PIN, go to your browser and search for iTax, itax.kra.go.ke. So if your business had a KRA PIN, this is why you are closing the business KRA PIN. So enter the PIN and password and answer the security stamp, the mathematical security stamp for KRA, and then log in. Yeah. So this video assumes that you already know your business login details to iTax. So once you log into iTax portal, this is how it looks like. Confirm that it's the portal to your business, but since you're successfully logged in, go to the menu and click on registration. Scroll down and click on e-cancellation. Confirm all those details for your business, such as the type, who are you? Are you the taxpayer who is closing the KRA PIN, or is it an agent doing it on behalf of your business? Choose the tax obligations that you want to be cancelled, and then you have to choose a reason why you are cancelling the PIN. So for this video, this was closed because the business was closed. So choose you as is the business inactive, closed, was it sold or merged, does it no longer have tax liability, okay, and maybe another reason. So once you have done that, you need to upload a document to support your cancellation. So if your business was closed, you can upload the cessation certificate. If it's inactive, you can upload a document to support that reason. So whatever your reason is, you need to upload a document to support that reason. Once you're done, click on submit. So once you click on submit, iTax is going to show you a message for you to confirm, are you sure you want to do this? Because once you submit, you won't be able to access iTax using that PIN anymore. It's automatic, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. Today I showed you how to close your business KRA PIN. My name has been Catherine. Until next time, bye-bye.